Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
So man, right now we out here. I had to come put on my bad.
What up, man?
I pull up on Uncle Stunner, y'all
know what it is, man. Your boy Stunner man out here, man. Pablo, you know what I'm saying? Doing it big out here. Y'all know what it is, man. Go ahead and tune into the channel. Let's go.
Sir. Hey man, how you feeling? Would you look at your crowd? Now this
feeling good,
you
man.
know what I'm saying? This teamwork made the dream work, but
absolutely, man. But
look at
you know
your
what I'm
crowd.
saying? Yeah, definitely, man. Appreciate everybody coming out, man, showing love. You know what I'm saying? The people, the spectators and everything, you know what I'm saying? The racers that came out, all the people that put all the money into their cars to bring them out here. You know what I'm saying? And sharing with fellow enthusiasts, man. It's much love, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Tell them about this real quick. I know we did it last night, but run it again.
Yes, sir. We wrapped up Scrappy, $20, you know what I'm saying? Get an opportunity to win my G-Body Monte Carlo. That's right, man. Scrap Dog.
Yes,
you know
sir.
What I'm saying? Fresh paint. Got the 22s, or you can go with the drag pack setup. Whichever way you want.
So you would change those and put something else on that?
I got the drag packs too. If they want these drag packs, if they want the drag pack wheels, they can get those wheels, or they can get these wheels on there. Either one.
Hey.
Yeah.
So make sure y'all go there.
Yes, sir.
Go to his channel.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to Stunner Reese. Make sure you get all that right there. Run it up over there. Tell him Pablo sent you. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
We're a
sir.
family, so we running it up together.
Sir.
You know what I'm saying? Look, win this car for $20. This what you can get right here. $20. Go ahead now.
Yeah, $20.
You know the vibes, man. All right, yes, sir. Yes, sir. They got the money on top of the car. Look at that. Wildin' with it. Now y'all see that thing in the daytime. Last night it looked good. In the daytime it looked even better, baby. Yes, sir. Excuse me, brother. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Skid. He did that, man. Oh, it looked baby blue. Look at it, y'all. It looked baby blue, bro. But it's... Tell me what we call this, man. Just tell me. Please tell me what we call this.
Oh, Aqua Ocean Blue.
Aqua Ocean Blue. I like this. This is crazy.
Yeah, I gotta take it back to him. I ain't supposed to drive it up.
Yes, sir.
It's supposed to get traded up here. It's some stuff I did because my car was dropping down. I ain't lifted back up.
He went.
Ain't nothing they can't fix.
Rell2Real.
You know what I'm saying? As long as they can fix it, I'm good.
Y'all follow him.
Right in time. Actually a little bit late, but hey, it was on time because I still made it. Hey, so well, man. What you been up? I've been seeing you in the comments.
Hey, I be having to work.
Yeah, I know it is, man.
When I get through, I catch the videos, man.
Yeah.
I be
Y'all
having to
see that
replay
thing.
them.
That thing go crazy, bro.
I'm a B-roll of this joint.
Y'all already know who here. He pull up ready, camera rolling. You alright? You had a good one last night?
Oh yeah, I was good last night. Catch me, man. I'm gonna get in that sliding pit.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna get over there.
Oh, I got to see that, baby. I got to see that, man.
I'm gonna register in a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, get this work now. You know how we gotta do.
First.
Yes, sir. Uh-oh.
What's up, bro?
My bad, player. What's happening, young player? You alright? How you been, man? Yes, sir. Hey, man, I do. Whoa, you don't want to include me in that, boy, because if I flip that bit around one time, you know what I'm saying? One time, flip. Look. Nah, man, what's up, though, y'all? Y'all good? What's up, brother? You alright? I think I just got yours, didn't I? Yeah, we was at the gate. You alright? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's going on here, man?
You know we working, baby. Free smoke. Yes, sir. My guy Jordan out there, aka Modern Day Muscle. Y'all see that boy, man?
What's going on, man?
Tell
Make sure
him.
you follow.
Yes, sir.
Free smoke, free_smoke_ official. Okay. Free_smoke_ official on IG. Modern Day _muscle on IG. Modern Day Muscle on YouTube. Free smoke on YouTube, man. Make sure you follow Fat Cat and Garage Driven as well. Free Smoke Squad, man.
You know who it is. Hey, y'all know, man, my dad will be running right. Highways, byways, and sideways. That's the game right there, man. Y'all make sure y'all check out that podcast, man. Free Smoke Podcast. It's on Instagram, it's on YouTube. Y'all ready to go Apple Music? Y'all ready to put on Apple Music yet?
Yeah, we was talking about it.
Yeah, it's time, baby. It's time. Yes, sir.
Y'all driving y'all flew?
We flew this time.
Yeah, we flew.
When you leave?
We in some town called Bridgeton. It's like 10 minutes away from the airport.
Okay.
Yeah, we should have got a hotel in downtown because the food in Bridgeton.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, sir. Hey. I thought that was gonna have a section for us to work in. I was thinking for somewhere to work.
It's a bit different than Dallas.
Yeah.
It's a bit different.
Yeah. It's a little bit more quieter. It ain't that side of That's what we was talking about earlier. Like Dallas is kind of lit.
This facility is bigger.
Yeah. Oh yeah. As far as space, yeah.
As far as space, this is bigger. But Dallas, as far as people, it was
way more. You know what I'm saying? But we just working, baby. We out here working, trying to make it happen. You know what I'm saying?
Where's my friend?
You walk that way. Y'all see the game.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Be
Yeah,
safe,
we
brother.
definitely gonna connect though. I got my family out here, man. They weren't free smoke.
Okay.
Smoke, so you probably saying.
Okay. Hey, T-Rose say line that thing on up. You know what I'm saying? You see this cat thing designed by Gearheads. Y'all see that right there? Yeah. Man, you need to go to a basketball court or something. Hey, you know how you turn around and be like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, nah, there's a couple skyscrapers out there. Hey, y'all see my guy, man. Shout it out, Rod. You know what it is.
_Rod, man. Tap in with your boy, man. We out here at GAPFEST turning up. Share the love, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Show my man love. If y'all just now coming to his page, share that love, man. You know what to do. Salute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where you at?
I'm all the way over
What's
there.
up, man? This your boy Pablo Savage 392, man. I'm out here with the gang. You see Redeye ride out this thing. You see we at GAPFEST in St. Louis, baby. It is lit. It is turned. I'm having a good time. Cameraman, you having a good time? He nodded his head, yeah. We good. We running it up out this thing, man. Make sure y'all come through the channel. Let me know, man. Let me know you came from Ride Page. That'll be the one right there. I appreciate y'all, man. Keep going up. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't want nobody to see his mods.
Who?
Turn the car around. Put ice on that thing.
For real?
Turn that bitch around, man.
I gotta get some 5% tint. I need to darken my tint, bro. It's crazy. That's how I look. Y'all already know who that is, man. What's up, brother?
What's happening, y'all? Mess be chilling. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the page, man. I don't know if y'all can see with the seatbelt, man. But y'all also make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my boy Pablo Savage 392. He putting out videos every single freaking day, man.
Yes, sir, man. You in the park or you going again?
Oh, I'm about to go again, bro.
All right, I'm gonna catch you out there.
All right.
Yes, sir. Redeye ride with the solo pass, you know. That's what I just said. I like that. It sounds like it's supposed to go faster than that. This shit here fast as fuck. Oh, you letting the sun dry that bit. You letting the sun dry it. Who that? Audio Cat. That ball in 19.
Coach him up, man.